Um, how does a ghost solve a quadratic equation? By completing this scare. So today I want to teach you how to put values into the quadratic formula. And there's a few steps involved into that. I want you to learn what the quadratic formula is, how to get an equation into the form that the quadratic formula can be used in, identifying the values, and then inserting the values into the quadratic formula. So the quadratic formula is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And this format is used to solve quadratic equations. So then you have an equation, and your equation for this sake is x squared minus 4x equals 16. Well, you must take this and put it into a form that you can use the quadratic formula in. And you have to have this side equal to 0. So you have to subtract 16, which makes this become x squared minus 4x plus 4x minus 16. So now that you have this, you can now identify your variables. So you have, as you can see here, you have A, C, and B. So A is the quotient in front of the x squared, which in this case is 1. B is the quotient in front of x, which this case is 4. And C is the constant, which in this case is negative 16. So now that you've identified what your values are, you're going to insert them into the places that they go in here. So now you're going to have negative 4 plus or minus the square root of 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 16, all over 2 times 1. And you can, and then that's all. So I taught you today how to insert the values into the quadratic formula. And I look forward to listening to all of your